Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery, technology company China. Here it is a new finished 250 liters model multifunction mixer for European client, which is used in roof waterproof coating mixing industry. We can see that the left part equipped with a pressing machine for the material discharging application, and the right one is the mixer itself. We use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer to support the strong mixing power. For the right one is a cabinet. The main components we use Schneider brand. And the stainless steel one is a mixing head blades and mixing tank. We equipped 2 tanks, a spare tank. Okay, we focus on the mixing system. There is 2 shafts. The middle one is a high-speed dispersing shaft with 2 discs, and around is a low-speed shaft. It's a stirring shaft. We equipped the frame-type mixing blades. For the inner wall and bottom, equipped with scraper. For the high-vis material mixing, this is the inside situation. Material contact part mirror polish. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. Let's focus on the panel. 2 inverter panels, accordingly speed control. One is for high-speed shaft, another for low-speed shaft. This is the buttons accordingly start stop for high-speed shaft, and the low-speed shaft start stop. Vacuum pump on off. Top part lift and down. For the light open close. Emergency stop button. Temperature display for inside the material, watt meter and meter. Also on the top part, we equipped a vacuum system, vacuum pump, buffer tank, pipes connected. To install of the vacuum system, we can see the whole top part lift or down, and as well as the pressing machine, we equipped 2 hydraulic station as power. Now I would like to make a simple display for the mixing function. In this position, once the top part lifted, only the low speed can work, like this. It will reach to the max speed. For the low speed frame, it's 50. You can see that speed can be displayed on the inverter panel. Here it is 50, the right one. This is the situation. Working stable, no problem. Now I stop it. Please note that only the tank close to the blue hand sensor on the back side to the position, the whole top part can be done like this. I must make it close. I keep my finger on the down button. The whole top part now is closed. Okay. We can see that on the top lid we equipped a vacuum meter, 2 windows, one with light, and my hole for raw material feeding and liquid material feeding or vacuum release. This window is for the check for the inside situation. Now I start both the dispersing part, high speed shaft and low speed shaft. Okay, I make low speed maybe. I make both half speed. Okay, I can check wire this window. Or we can check clearly wire the manhole. Okay. Working stable, no problem. And then we test the max speed. Here it is, and this. Working stable. In this way, the high viscous material would be mixed evenly. And then I stop it. And let's turn to the pressing machine. After mixed, tank with wheels would be transferred to the pressing machine here. We designed this pressing machine with 2 stages. There is an inner form. For this part, inner form. Once the tank transferred to it, and we can make the inner form raised, and then we insert 2 pins like this. It will help to raise the inner frame and raise the discharging part height. This is a pressing plate, where the hydraulic cylinder material would be pressed out from this discharging part, equipped with a manual valve. This part with valve is for the breeze during the pressing work. Also, it has manual and automatic model. We can set it. This is a manual or automatic mode. And before the pressing machine works, we must open the pump first and then operate it. So just now I have made a simple introduction for the new finished 250 liters model multi-function mixer for Uruguay client used in high viscous, rough, waterproof coating industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.